Okay, so to download SQLite, I'm just going to my browser. Any browser you use is okay. So I'm using Chrome. Search for SQLite. I think the first website that is going to appear, www.sqlite.org. I think that's the official website for SQLite. Just click on it. It's gonna take you to this page. Here, I'm going to click on download. So I'm going to look for pre-compiled binaries for Windows. Okay, here it is. Pre-compiled binaries for Windows. So there are 3 files under this. We are downloading the third one, SQLite 2's third one. So just click on it. Okay, I think I've downloaded it already. I'll duplicate and then no need to download again. So after downloading it, just go to your download path. I think I have mine here. It's a zip, so you're probably gonna have to extract it. So I'm extracting it here. Okay, extraction is done. Let's click on the extracted file. It's a folder, you open it. Okay, there are 3 files here. So I'm going to copy the SQLite 3.exe. I'm copying SQLite 3.exe. Control C, just copied it. Now I'm going to local disk. I'm going to create a folder, new folder. What name are we giving it to? Okay, so we are naming it SQLite 3. Enter, open, and you paste a file in it. After pasting, you need to get the path of this SQLite 3.exe. So click here, it's highlighted. So Control C, copy, go to the search. I'm going to search for environment. Yeah, I think it's here. Edit system environment variables. Click open. Yeah, it's open already. It's here. So I'm going to click on here. I'm clicking on this environment variables. Click. It's going to pop up this window. So we are choosing path. Have path. Click on it and click on edit. Now come here, click on new. So let's paste. I think I have mine already here, my path. Okay, you can paste the path. When you paste it, it's going to appear here, SQLite 3. So you click on OK. Okay. So let's check if it's installed. So go to the command prompt, open. So type SQLite 3 space version. Oh, that's not it. Okay, so it's installed. As you can see, it's installed. I mean, you can run it and see if you like. SQLite 3 and check. So SQLite version installed.